dear students, let us start problems based on theory of equation. Let me explain you theory of equation in detail. Once again, this is the last concept. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so and so alpha n are the n roots of this quadratic equation, that is a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2, means the degree is decreasing onwards. A n minus 1 x plus a n is equal to 0. You see, this the degree is n minus 1, next n minus 2, n minus 3, finally x power 1 and x power 0. Degree of x power n decreasing, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, then going x power 1 and x power 0, like that. And where a0, a1, an minus 1, an are coefficients, that coefficients are real numbers, and this is not equal to 0 because this is nth degree polynomial. If this is 0, then it is not nth degree polynomial. Therefore, you have n roots, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so and so alpha n. Then the sum of the roots is alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus so and so alpha n can be used as sigma alpha 1, that is coefficient of this divided by this, that is a1 divided by a0 and with the minus sign in the beginning. And sum of two roots taken at a time means alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, like that. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 3, alpha 1, like that combination is a2 by a0 plus minus. Like sum of the three roots taken at a time is minus a3 by a0. See here, minus plus minus. What we do here, a1 by a0, next a2 by a0, next a3 by a0, likewise we will go on. Next, sum product of the roots, that is alpha 1, alpha 2, so and so alpha n, is last term divided by the first term, that is an by a0, but remember this is minus 1 power n. Why minus 1 power n? Is this is odd or even? It depends. If it is even, you get a positive. If it is odd, you will get a negative. How many terms are there? Is that odd degree polynomial or even degree polynomial? So if it is even degree polynomial, you will get positive. If it is odd degree polynomial, you will get negative. That's what. N is here indicates the degree of the polynomial. If this is square, you get positive c by a, like that. If it is cube, then you get negative. If it is power 4, positive, power 5, negative. This is what you need to know. This is what we call as theory of equation. Let us solve some problems on that. Let us see, this is the question we have and let us find them. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the cubic equation x cube plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Then find the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha. This is this type of questions we did in second degree quadratic equation also. Quadratic equation we did, but it is a cubic equation. There it is that concept we called as transformation. Okay, so already we have done this type of problem. So now what we do here, the quadratic equation is there x cube. There is no x square term, so 0 into x square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. How many roots will be there? Cubic equation, so there will be three roots, alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is sum of roots is this by this, the 0 by 1, that will be 0. So sum of the roots is getting 0. Then alpha plus beta combination you require. So alpha plus beta can be written as minus gamma. Beta plus gamma can be written as minus alpha. Alpha plus gamma can be written as minus beta. So this is transforming. This is transforming as minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma. So you have to find a quadratic equation whose roots are minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma, like that. So by the transformation, this satisfies x. X is equal to, you have minus alpha. So what we used to do in the second degree quadratic, see in the second lecture or third lecture I explained, same way we do that. So this alpha plus beta, this is nothing but I got minus alpha. So I can write x is equal to minus alpha. This is I am getting a root and that root is minus alpha. So x is equal to minus alpha, then alpha value will be how much? Minus x. So what we do here, minus x will be there. So this is a quadratic equation. Alpha, beta, gamma are satisfying this. Alpha, beta, gamma are satisfying this. Alpha can be substituted here. If alpha substituted here, what I get here? Alpha cube plus q times of alpha plus gamma is equal to 0. So in place of alpha, I can write what here? Minus x. So that will be the required quadratic equation. So in place of alpha, I can write minus x. So minus x cube plus q times of minus x plus r is equal to 0. If you multiply with minus sign, so x cube plus qx minus r equal to 0 is the required quadratic cubic equation. This is the required transformation. So based on this cubic equation, that is the theory of equation, we'll solve more problems. Students, hello dear students, let us solve this question. We are talking about theory of equation. Now, is the roots x into 3 minus x square plus 2x cube is equal to 0 are having the roots alpha, beta, gamma. Roots of this is alpha, beta, gamma. What is the value of find alpha plus beta plus gamma plus 1? This is the answer question. So what I can write here, if I multiply this, 3x minus x cube plus 2x square is equal to 0 after multiplying this. Means if I write in order, minus x cube plus 3x plus 2x square is equal to 0. Now sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is we will write as alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this. So we can write as sum of the roots is what is that? Minus b by a. Okay, hope we understand. So sum of the roots. So first of all, we make arrangement of this, then we will do sum of the roots. So what we do here, we do that first is here minus x cube plus 2x square plus 3x is equal to 0. Multiply with a minus sign. So x cube minus 2x square minus 3x is equal to 0. This is the way you will get. So this will become positive, this is negative and this is negative after doing this. So what I am going to get here is, now what I can write, this one is sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus of this by this. Already I gave the formula in the previous lecture. So that I am getting alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2. So the answer is asked alpha plus beta plus gamma plus 1. That is 2 plus 1. The answer is 3. So the answer of this question is 3. Okay. Hope you understand this question. Let us go for the next question which I wrote there. So next question is if a comma b comma c are the roots of x cube plus qx plus r is equal to 0, find the value of 1 by b plus c plus 1 by c plus a plus 1 by a plus b. This is the question they asked. So the quadratic equation is what? X cube plus qx plus r is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. There is no x squared term. So x cube plus 0 times of x squared plus qx plus r is equal to 0. So what do you write here? 1 by b plus c, 1 by c plus a, 1 by a plus b. 1 by b plus c, 1 by c plus a, 1 by a plus b. You have to find these values, right? So what we can write here, let us take alpha, a, b, c are the roots. So what are the roots here? A, b, c are the roots. So sum of the roots will be what? A plus b plus c. Sum of the roots is 0 by 1, that is 0. It means I can write as b plus c value is minus a. So b plus c value is minus a. C plus a value is minus b. C plus a value is minus b. A plus b value is minus c. So he is asking to find 1 by b plus c plus 1 by c plus a plus 1 by a plus b. This value they are asking to find. So what I can do here, 1 by b plus c I can write minus a, and 1 by c plus a I can write 1 minus b, and 1 by a plus b I can write minus c. It means I am going to get on the top LCM, ABC is the LCM, and negative I can take up, negative will be top. So you will get here, A is cancelled, you get BC, plus B is cancelled, AC, plus C is cancelled, AB I will get. I took minus common on the top. So I got sum of the two roots taken at a time and product of the roots. What is the sum of the two roots taken at a time here? That is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to Q by 1. That is Q. Okay, and product of the roots taken at a time, A into B into C, that is equal to R by 1. You know that the first case is minus, second case is, first is minus plus minus, minus plus minus. So this is plus and this is minus, minus R. So if you substitute here minus of this value Q upon minus R. So minus minus cancel. Answer is Q by R. So the value of this will be Q by R. Q by R is the answer. Let us see next question. Let us see one more question on a theory of equation. That now here find the value of B minus C whole square plus BC minus A whole square plus A minus B whole square of a cubic equation x cube plus qx plus r equal to 0 has the roots a, b, c. So a, b, c are the roots that is asking to find the value of this. So here this expression is x cube plus q times 0 times of x square plus q times of x plus r is equal to 0. Sum of the roots, that is a plus b plus c, is equal to 0 by something is 0. And sum taken AB plus BC plus CA. Sum of the roots, sum taken 2 at a time. Sum of the roots taken 2 at a time. That is I am going to get here minus, this will be plus, that is Q. And product of the roots will be A into B into C, that is equal to R. Right? Minus plus minus, so minus R. So what I am going to get now, this I have to find. B minus C whole square plus, these are the information I have, with this help we have to find this one. C minus A whole square plus A minus B whole square. This can be written as B minus C whole square formula, B square minus 2AB plus C square. And this is again A minus B whole square formula, C square minus 2CA plus A square. And this is can be written as A square minus 2AB plus B square. I wrote here A minus B whole square formula. If you add these all, A square plus A square, that is 2A square plus 2B square, I am going to get here is 2A square. I am getting what here? Here I am getting 2A square plus 2B square plus 2C square, okay, minus 2AB minus 2CA minus 2BC, right? Here you have to get BC here, this is BC, okay, minus 2BC, minus 2BC. Now you can take 2 common here, I can get A square plus B square plus C square minus, you can take 2 common here, AB plus BC plus CA. Now you know that here I have AB plus BC plus CA, that is can be Q. But what about this? So this one, to make this one, I will write this one as 2 times of A square plus B square plus C square can be written as A plus B plus C whole square minus 2AB minus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2CA. I can write like this. And again you have what here? Minus of 2AB, right? Minus of 2AB minus 2BC minus 2CA. You have the same. Here you have already minus of this. So that is 2 times of, I am getting this is 2 times of this one. This is wholly thing 2 times will be multiplied for this. So that is nothing but 2 times of A plus B plus C whole square. That is A plus B plus C is 0. So I can get 0 minus. And if I take 2 common, here I am getting as AB, okay, AB plus BC plus CA I am getting here. And here I am getting minus 2 times of, if I take here AB plus BC plus CA. If I multiply this one, minus 4 times of AB plus BC plus CA, and here is 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA. So finally I am getting as 6 times of minus 6 times of AB plus BC plus CA. It means minus 6 times of AB plus BC plus CA. What is the answer? AB plus BC plus CA is Q. So I am getting the answer is minus 6Q. So this is the theory of equation problem. So the answer is minus 6Q. We do all the problems in this way. Let us see another question. So let us see here the last question of today's lecture, and tomorrow we will start again some of the questions of theory of equations, and then we will solve mixed problems. Like here we have finished that content related all the quadratic equation, and these related to all we will solve mixed problems of JEE 2020 or all the previous year questions. Okay, let's see here. If f of x is equal to 2x cube plus mx square minus 13x plus n and 2, 3 are the roots of this equation, f of x is equal to 0, then find the value of m and n. This is the question. They given 2 roots, we don't know the third root of this function. What I will take as, let us take the third root is alpha. Then some of the roots will be what? One root is 2, one root is 3, another root is alpha. Some of the roots will be b by a, that is m by 2, minus m by 2, correct? Minus b by a, right? That is minus m by 2. That is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus alpha is equal to minus m by 2. This is what I are getting for some of the roots. Sum taken 2 at a time will be what here? This into this here. What are the roots here? 2, 3, alpha. 2 3s are, we will multiply alpha into beta, that is 2 3s are 6. Beta into alpha, 3 into alpha is alpha plus alpha into 2, 2 alpha. See here 2 3s are 3 into alpha, alpha into 2. This is equal to, what is this here? This divided by this. That is minus 13 divided by 2. Minus 13 divided by 2. Minus 13 divided by 2. So what I am getting here, 5 alpha is equal to minus 13 by 2 minus 6. That is 5 alpha is equal to 2 is the LCM, minus 13 minus 12. That is 5 alpha is equal to minus 25 by 2. And this 5 will be cancelled 5 times. So alpha is equal to minus 5 by 2 I get. Understand? Yes. Hello. Alpha is equal to minus 5 by 2. By 2. This minus 5 by 2 substitute here, then you get m value. So hope you understand, correct? So my alpha is equal to, I am substituting here, 5 minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus m by 2. If we take the LCM of this, 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 5 will be 5. 5 by 2 is equal to minus m by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, m is equal to minus 5. M value I got minus 5. Now I can use what here? Product of the roots. What are the product of the roots? 2 into 2, 3 into that. 2 into 3 into alpha is equal to what I can write here? This last one divided by the 2. What is minus, plus and minus? This is minus. So I get minus n by 2. So what I am going to get here, this value will be, alpha value I know, how much here? Minus 5 by 2. So 2 into 3 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus n by 2. So this 2 can be cancelled out. This minus can be cancelled out. N is equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So n value is 30, m value is minus 5. So this is the way to deal the questions of JEE mains. So we have finished all the content of quadratic equation. I hope you have understand these all, and still if anything is remain, tomorrow I will explain more and we will solve previous year questions of quadratic equation, and then we start the new topic, that is matrices and determinants. Till then, take care, bye bye.